guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a spring cleaning. So I thought I haven't done a cleaning video in such a long time, plus it's coming up to spring now, so I thought, you know what, I'll do a bit of spring cleaning. Plus it'd be nice to actually clean up my desk. I haven't cleaned my desk in a very long while, so it's looking a bit dusty. And yeah, I need to clean up my bedside table, the windowsill, my dressing table, the unit and Nathan's bedside table as well, and give my wardrobe a nice good dusting and a nice good clean over. Now obviously I am doing decluttering series, so you guys will see a new transformation of my dressing table. At this moment in time I'm still trying to get the bits that I need to finish off on my wardrobe, so then I can film that one, and then the dressing table will be the next one. But today's video is a spring cleaning, and I thought I'll try and do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using instead of actually showing you throughout the video. So obviously I have a new duster. Now I've had this one for a while now. I got this in Home Bargains, I think, because it's the whole new Mrs. Hinch collection. So this is the new Mrs. Hinch one. So this is the Alpine Escape duster magnet, and it comes with the spare heads. So obviously I just popped a new fresh head on, so it's all nice and clean and ready to go. They come with, obviously you have the actual duster and with heads as well. They come with 4 extra heads, so you've got spare heads as well. And I'm going to use my new Febreze air freshener. We've been using this for quite a while now, since I purchased it from Home Bargains. You guys would have seen in that haul. I think it was like a vlog style. I think it was meant to be my cozy at home vlog, but it turned into going to Home Bargains as well. So yeah, I got this air freshener. This is the Febreze Air Mist Orchid Paradise. You guys would have seen in that video, and this smells absolutely lovely. So it's perfect for spring. And then I'm staying with the Mrs. Hinch collection. Obviously I love Mrs. Hinch, as you guys know. This is the Flash Spray Wipe Multi-Purpose in the scent Alpine Escape. Absolutely love this. I love all of her scents, by the way, but I love that one. And then for my Hollywood mirror, I've got the Pink Stuff. So this is the Pink Stuff, the Miracle Window and Glass Cleanup with rose vinegar. This is perfect for anything like stainless steel or anything mirrored, anything like that is perfect for that. So I always use this for my mirror. And we normally use our green cloth to clean everywhere. But I thought, you know what, I use these. I actually purchased these a while back from Amazon. So these are the microfiber cloths packed of 4. So I thought, you know what, I'll use them. So they're the products that I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be starting off with my bedside table, which is over in that corner there, and then work my way around the room and finishing off at Nathan's bedside table as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. Make sure you are connected by clicking on the bell below so that notifies you every time I upload. There is so much more videos coming up your way, guys. There's some baking videos as well. I've got some more Shein hauls for the wedding stuff. And then obviously once the wedding stuff is done, then I'm going to concentrate on my hen night. When it comes to decorating the hall, I will film that as well. So I will probably film that on the day, get that up and ready. When it comes to near the wedding, you're gonna have extra episodes. When it comes to the wedding, there'll be extra uploads, so it'll either be on a Saturday or a Sunday, but I will let you guys know anyway. But you guys will have extra uploads nearer to the wedding. But yeah, I will be videoing the decoration of the hall and showing you guys of how we decorated it and what it looks like before and after. But if you've enjoyed today's video, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.